In this session, let us learn about Java class attributes. In the previous chapter, we used the term variables for x in the example as shown below. It is actually an attribute of the class, or you could say that class attributes are variables within a class. See example, create a class called main with two attributes x and y. See, now we are creating x and y, 5, 3. Another term for class attributes is fields. Assessing attributes. You can assess attributes by creating an object of the class and by using the dot syntax. The following example will create an object of the main class with the name myObject. We use the x attributes on the object to print its value. Create an object called myObject and print the value of x. See, now we are printing integer 5. See, main myObject is equal to new main method system.out. See here, myObject dot x, we are using that dot here. The result printed 5. Modify attributes. You can also modify attributes value. Set the value of x to 40. See, now we are setting myObject.x 40. See, the result 40 was printed. Or overriding existing values, change the value of x to 25. See, integer 10. See, myObject.x is equal to 25. See, x is now 25. The result 25 printed. If you don't want the ability to override existing values, declare the attributes as final. See here, now we are declaring attributes as final. See, 25 will generate an error. See, while we write and execute this code, it generate error. The final keyword is useful when you want a variable to always store the same value like pi. The final keyword is called a modifier. You will learn more about this in the Java modifier chapters. Multiple objects. If you create multiple objects of one class, you can change the attributes values in one object without affecting the attributes values in the other. Change the value of x to 25 in myObject2 and leave x in myObject1 unchanged. See here, now I am using myObject1, myObject2. See, the result was 5 and 25. Multiple attributes. You can specify as many attributes as you want. See here, string fname Gopie Krishna, string iname Ponnuri, integer as24. See, while you execute this code, the result was name Gopie Krishna Ponnuri, as24 was printed. The next chapter will teach you how to create class methods and how to assess them with objects. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 24, Java attributes. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Java class methods. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.